to use a hyaluronic acid. Welcome to my channel. I am Vivian and I am intentional about your skin. Hyaluronic acid is an occlusive, that is, it prevents moisture loss, water loss from your body, from your skin. Probably most of you use it, while some of you are still skeptical about it. You don't know if you should buy it or not. Before I start this video, I advise you to buy a hyaluronic acid because it helps your skin stay hydrated for a long period of time. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to know is that hyaluronic acid can be used morning and night. Even it can be used 3 times a day. It has no issues. It's good for sensitive skin. It's good for all skin types, depending on the brand you actually buy. So the first step in making use of hyaluronic acid is washing your face. Now you're going to be washing your face with an oil cleanser and a foaming cleanse. So I'll be using this oil cleanser from Tosowoong and I'm going to practicalize everything to you guys. This is the oil cleanser we will be using. This oil cleanser is from Tosowoong. I will use it to wash my face because I'm showing you guys for a night routine. I've not really talked about how to use an oil cleanser. I'm going to be going in with my ives foaming cleanser. It is a soothing cleanser. If you have sensitive skin, this one is good for your skin. Now I'm done with my double cleansing. We'll now go in with the hyaluronic acid serum. Remember, hyaluronic acid means water and it is water based. So if your skin is not a little bit damp when you're using hyaluronic acid, it will not really work for you. So your skin has to be a little bit damp before you go in with your hyaluronic acid. Not totally wet, not totally dry, just a little bit damp. And we'll be going in with hyaluronic acid from tosowoong. This is a Korean brand as well. Make sure the dropper doesn't touch your face. After using the hyaluronic acid, you have to wait 2 minutes for your skin to dry a little bit before you go in with your moisturizer. It is the standard time you have to wait before you go in with to your next routine, because if you don't wait for it to dry a little bit, maybe let's say your next routine is meant to be your moisturizer might mix up with the serum and clog your pores. It will not work. So this one, you have to wait 2 minutes for it to penetrate into your skin for some time before you go in with your moisturizer. Now that I've waited for 2 minutes, usually when I'm not filming, I go in with another peptide serum because my skin is relatively dry sometimes and oily sometimes. So now it is in its oily state, so I won't be using another serum. So the next step now will be your moisturizer. This routine is a simple routine for a beginner with a dry skin, an open pore, and a little bit of hyperpigmentation. So the next step is the bioderma moisturizer. This contains niacinamide, so if you're allergic to niacinamide, then you might just skip the step. If you have a chronic dry skin, then you might just go in with another occlusive moisturizer. Let's say a moisturizer with a ceramide, or another moisturizer with a hyaluronic acid, and so much more. So now that I'm done with my moisturizer, if it is a morning routine, you can go in with your sunscreen. If it is a night routine, you can just go to bed like this, but you have to wait for 2 minutes before, 2 minutes, 15 minutes before you. It's not after using your skincare, you go to bed immediately. You have to wait for 2 to 15 minutes or 15 to 30 minutes. So I advise you, if you're doing your skincare, make sure that you do it before you eat. I know it's ridiculous, but if you're eating, just don't do it at all. When you're done eating, maybe you can do it, then you watch a little TV before you go to bed. And that is all for this routine. Hyaluronic acid is an important part of your skincare routine because it helps lock in moisture, like I said in the beginning. But if you have a chronic dry skin, you might just want to add more occlusive to your routine. I hope this video helps someone out there. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.